it's more like a standard broadcast sound. It's for recording and streaming. It's Yeti Nano. And let's get this little guy open besides talking about it. Item of the week. It's basically a Blue Yeti Nano mic, a USB mic. You could take this into Pro Tools and you could mix up a soundbite, or if you have a podcast show, if it's a political podcast show, you could talk about Donald Trump all day long with this thing. So that's how it's really useful. It's very useful because these mics are very expensive. I believe this only cost me $80. Yeah, it only cost me $80 because this is the one that, because it's a nano one. But if you want to get like a pro standard one, you would be spending $1,000. $1,000. But I don't want to spend $1,000, so I chose the 80 route because it's cheaper and it's less expensive, and you can easily plug this into your computer, like your MacBook or your iMac, or if you don't have an Apple, you could plug this into your PC, and you can just take it with you and just start talking, saying, hello, this is Stephanie's Live, and we are talking politics today, and what is going on with the Trump campaign, and who's going to be the new up-and-coming president of 2020. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button up there, and make sure you follow me on all ends of @Stephanie's Live.